How you doing, folks? My name is Fred Levi, VP of Sales, here to prove my score. And in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the third section of your FICO score, and this is the length of history that you have. Now, this section accounts for 15% of your FICO score, and that's up to 82.5 points. So the longer you have with your credit, the better off you'll be. Now, a lot of times people, they don't have any credit and they have to start somewhere. So this section, there's not much you can do to manipulate the system. You just have to let the age come with time. Now, what we do recommend is we recommend never, never, ever close an account. Always make sure to keep your accounts active and at least make one purchase. Uh, I say make a purchase a quarter because I've seen accounts shut down where a furnisher will close an account for no activity on the account. So I always recommend to make at least one purchase per quarter or 4 purchases per year. Make sure to keep those purchases low. You don't want to overspend, which could affect your credit utilization and getting those balances up. So never close an account. And this history part, right? The history counts for, again, it counts for 15%. So I can't stress enough not to close an account because it damages the history that you've built already. Okay, so that's pretty much all I can really say is the longer you keep your accounts open, you're going to start building that history. Now I will do a quick breakdown to kind of show you guys how an account works. So let's go ahead and say that you had a credit card, right? You had the account for 10 years. So you have 10 years history. And then you went ahead and applied for another credit card today, and you were approved for that credit card. Now you have two accounts. What they do is they go ahead and add the two accounts together and divide it by the amount of accounts. In this case, you would have two accounts divided by 10 years. Now you went from 10 years history down to 5. Let's say you did that 3 more times, had 4 cards, you went from 10 years to 2.5 years. So that's kind of how the history works. You want to be over 6 years history before your file starts becoming thicker and a more mature account. So just want to kind of give you guys a heads up on how history works, and again, it accounts for 15% or up to 82.5 points. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch that video. Again, if you guys have any questions, comment below so that somebody on my team can answer those questions. If you have a topic that you guys want to talk about, we'd love to be able to get that information on over to you. We'd make a video. So we ask that you send an email to info@approvemyscore.com, and with that, we can go ahead and create a video like the one you're watching now to get you that information. Okay. We ask that you please like and share the video if you found the information helpful. We want you to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for the notifications. That way, whenever we do create a video, you'll be notified by email notification on your phone, and that way you can go ahead and get the information right away. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video for over the past few minutes. Thank you for the time to giving us the opportunity to bring information to you. And with that being said, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.